Are you too stupid to work out to open a terminal and run some commands? Do you still want to pretend like you're a superior Linux user? Well, I have a solution for you. That solution is LARPing, live action role-playing, where you pretend to be something that you are not. For example, you could be a car LARPer, pretend like you love cars so much, all this great stuff about cars, and the only thing you know about is a Supra and a Skyline. Maybe you're a video game LARPer. You talk about how much you love video games, how much you play video games all the time, and the only thing you play is GTA and FIFA. You're a gun and ball gamer. That is all. Or maybe you want to LARP Linux. You want to pretend like, ooh, I know how to run all these crazy commands. I understand the TTY. Ooh, look at me. I'm so cool. I'm on X11. Wow, I'm an elite hacker man. For that, I have a perfect solution for you. A Linux distro made for Linux LARPers, which of course comes with a Lane wallpaper. Why does it have a Lane wallpaper? Who is Lane? You don't need to worry about that. That's not important. All you need to know is Lane, hacker, computers, hacker equals anime equals Lane, therefore Lane. Now, our most important feature here is, of course, the terminal, which is not actually a terminal whatsoever. It's a super elite hackerman terminal. It's going to break into the mainframe. It's a super quantum AI terminal, also known as utter bullshit, and it just makes things up. Mounted/dev/mainframe. Contacted Lane to help hack. Loading hacker tools. Connected to anonymization proxy. Started Google Chrome OPSEC protocol. Checked for duplicate French language packs. Warning, you've got the French installed. Get rid of the French. Make sure you go and run the very important remove the French command. Routing packets through 17 proxies in Tor. Compiling IP tracker. Injecting vibe coding AI agent capabilities. Syncing Aura with mainframe. Initializing hacker typer compatibility layer. Terminal integrity status. Ready to hack. All hacking daemons and modules loaded into the motherboard. Hacking is ready to begin, and your key presses are so powerful, are so AI quantum enhanced, that every key press you run dumps out a bunch of nonsense every single time, like routing the dildo payload through the cloud quantum computer network connected to the relay server obelisk, or Google Chrome telemetry and hacking it, mounting encrypted cyberdeck volume, scanning asshole parameters for dimensions, running encryption proxy through the Cybertruck. Wow. Routing DNS through the secure tunnel and putting it through the shell script and IP logger. Backdooring Google Chrome telemetry, and I think actually we read that one already. DDoSing the main panopticon surveillance patriarchal web of selector modules being loaded into the deck. Encryption defeated by injection suite. Hacker toolkit module. Uploading worm to server. Using Google Chrome for privacy. Spoofing MAC address through darknet relays. LARP limit reached. Resources depleting from too much cringe. Abort hack now. And if we just keep pressing all of these keys, oh my god, countermeasure detect, algorithm failed, location is compromised, site police trace reverse, and Trojan upload to the motherboard. Oh my god, they're after us. I am elite hacker man. This terminal is so powerful, it's so incredible that just a single key press, I don't even have to write any more here. It's just going to keep running to the end of time. I am so AI quantum enhanced. Oh my god, how are anyone going to stop me? I'm hacking everything. I'm hacking the entire world's government. Now, to make it even more powerful, we can open up our second terminal. Oh my god, wow, it's incredibly powerful. Identity Aiden Pierce, oh my god, site police trace reversed, a Trojan upload to their motherboard, open up another one, oh my god, everything is being hacked. I can't even open the thing, there we go. Now, this is going to keep doing its thing in the background. This is going to do exactly what you expect it to do. If you like to go and potentially ruin some of the fun, you can go and check out the source code and have a look at some of the nonsense it is going to dump into the terminal. For example, uploading hack payload into the butt plug. Oh my god. Wow. Executing low orbit ion cannon. DDoS. Oh my god, that's so crazy. That's so powerful. If it wasn't obvious, this is not actually a real terminal. It's just going to run nonsense in the background. If for whatever reason you actually do need to access a terminal on this distro, if you try to right-click the desktop, open terminal here, that opens up the fake terminal. If you were to go into a file manager and then open a terminal here, because it's the same terminal, it's going to open the fake terminal. If you actually want to access a real terminal, you can go into the applications. Don't run hacker mode. That is the fake terminal. Instead, go to system and find either UXterm or Xterm, and this will dump out a very important warning to you. Welcome to Linux LARP 1.0. Warning, you have an extra instance of the French language package installed. Remove by typing sudo rm-fr/star. This is ancient Linux shitposting. This is kind of like the equivalent of the delete system32 on Windows. If you don't know, if you happen to be new to this, running that command will delete your entire system. There's some things it'll leave over, but everything you know, everything you love is going to be destroyed. With this terminal, we can go and run a very important command, and that is fast fetch. The developer, for whatever reason, decided to go and make an actual logo for this project. So you have a Linux LARP logo inside of this fast fetch instance. Do you need it? No. Is it fun? Does it add to the experience? Just a tiny little bit. Yes, and I'm happy it's there. Now, you might have spotted in the background there, Google Chrome. Why is Google Chrome here? Well, if you're LARPing, it's very important to have here, right? You don't want to use a real browser that anyone who actually uses Linux would use, right? You don't want to use like a Firefox or a Brave or LibreWolf or Florp or any sensible terminal. No, you are LARPing. Therefore, on Windows, you are probably using Chrome. Now, you're going to be using Chrome anyway. You want to make it even better? Honestly, you could probably swap this out for Edge, and that would be even better. Is it even going to open? It was working fine before. You know what? Maybe that even adds to the experience. You now have a thing where it doesn't even work properly. It should be opening. I actually don't know why it's not. This is a live ISO inside of a virtual machine. Nothing on this would have changed. Okay, it just took forever to run. No, I don't care about this. Sure, make it default. And no, we don't care about that. I want to run it. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Linux LARP Chrome Hacker Edition. Default terminal. Hacker mode. Default browser, Google Chrome, privacy rating, 100%. Your OPSEC is good, man. Don't worry, we got you covered here at the Linux LARP team. By team, it means one guy who makes YouTube videos who wanted to make a stupid distro. During this, you probably noticed that we are running XSCE. Well, we're also running Debian. Or I guess this is forked off of Debian. So it's forked off Debian running XSCE. Why is that? Well, singular reason. Singular reason. And that's because Kali Linux, which is also a real distro, however, that is also a heavily LARP distro. A lot of people are like, oh, I daily drive Kali Linux. Oh my god, Kali Linux is so cool. Everyone should daily. It's a hacker distro. I'm a hacker because I run Kali Linux. Kali Linux is based off of Debian. This is based off of Debian. Makes sense. Kali Linux runs XSCE. This runs XSCE. Again, perfect choice to run for the LARPing distro. If for some reason, and I don't know why you would, if for some reason you want to try this, I recommend not doing so in an airport. I feel like that's, I feel like that one's going to go pretty badly for you. To be fair, most things Linux are going to go pretty badly for you if you're updating your packages. Someone's going to be like, that guy has a bomb, get him. jump on him. So maybe don't do that. But if you want to try this, go to the GitHub. There is an ISO you can go and download. If for some reason also you want to go and like add dumb bullshit to this, I guess you probably could and go and like it's such a dumb little project that has no reason to exist, and there's no reason to actually use this. Also, it's not actually installable. If you want to run it, it has to be run as a live ISO, which I guess makes sense because, well, if you actually knew how to install Linux, you wouldn't be using a stupid LARPing distro that is a joke that has literally no reason to actually exist. So here you are. Now, if you'd like to learn how the developer actually made this, go and check out their video. I'll leave that link down below as well. Maybe not the best resource to learn how to make a custom Debian ISO, but they do link to some resources which are useful to go and learn how to do so. So maybe don't go and make a serious distro that anyone is actually going to use, but it has been a while since we've had something in the vein of OmugOS or Nyarch, or going back further, Hannah Montana Linux and Rebecca Black OS and various other stupid things like that. There are plenty of other people you could make a stupid distro about, so go and make something, change the world, and bring some more joy into it. It's not that important, but I'll probably make a video on it if you do. So this was a fun, dumb little video. If you liked it, for some reason, go like the video, go subscribe as well. Maybe I'll make something that is somewhat more substantial, and yeah. Anyway, if you like the video and you want to become one of these amazing people over here, check out the Patreon, subscribe to the LARPer, link in the description down below. That's going to be it for me, and are you a LARPer?
Money that I don't accept.